Hey, hello guys. So now let's take a look at this. This is a Urea crusher. So in our fertilizer plant, usually if the raw materials are in powder form, then no need crushing. But if the powders are caked or is in big chunks, then you need crushing. So this one is our Urea crusher. The motor power is 15 kilowatt, and then it is also driven by pulleys and also C-type lead belt. And then we have two bearing housings on each side, and then this is the feeding portal. And then usually the uras, the trunk, the uras, well, this one will be connected to the feeding silo. And after the material enters the feeding silo, it will go into this feeding port. And then inside of this Urea crusher, we also got a roller cutter that by spinning, it is able to cut the uras into small powder. And then after the Urea being turned into powder, it can be mixed with other raw materials for granulation, or it can enter the weighing scale for precise batching. So yeah, thank you guys. This is the structure of our Urea crusher. Now let's take a closer look at the structures inside of the Urea crusher, the rotor especially. Okay, yeah, thank you.